Hello friends, how are you all? Today we are going to see that how to make the cover page. Yes, cover page, or you can design any of it like diary ka design. You want to make it front page, back page, so that you can do with the help of Photoshop. So let's start. So first you can see some of the designs. Yes, I've made it by myself, right? You can use your own creativity. आप अपना creativity use कर सकते हो. So let's start. So first of all, the thing is that क्या आपको डिसाइड करना है कि यस हाउ यू वांट इट योर कवर पेज. आपको कवर पेज कैसा चाहिए, दैट यू हैव टू डिसाइड योर थीम, योर आइडिया, एंड देन द साइज. यस, द साइज इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको साइज मेनली जानना जरूरी है, दैट व्हाट विल बी द साइज ऑफ योर दिस फोटोशॉप एंड दैट द कवर पेज. सो आई हैव डिसाइडेड, देखो 8 by 10 मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू वर्क इट. So first thing that you have to keep it in mind कि आपको new layer में work करना है. You have to not to work in the background. Okay, and then yes, I will just go over here. मैंने theme decide कर लिया. I've think about it that what I will do. तो मैंने उसके according मैंने color ले लिया. I will take the color at the first and then I will apply the rectangle. And now I want to rotate this thing. तो मैं उसे rotate कर रही हूँ. देखिए यहाँ rotation के लिए है. You can see the rotation over there. Okay, that same. Yes, I will move it over here. मैं उसे थोड़ा सा ऐसे करना चाहती हूँ. Yes, I can decide it. Another thing that we can do कि आप लोग अपने ये जो ruler होता है, if you don't get the ruler, you go to view and that you can see the ruler, or you can press Ctrl R और आप ruler decide कर सकते हो कि हाँ कितना एरिया वो कवर करेगा, राइट. सो मिडल पार्ट और मे बी यू हैव इन बिटवीन ऑफ दैट कि ये पार्ट टाइटल के लिए होगा. दिस वन विल बी, दिस इज वन टिप विच आई एम गिविंग टू यू. ओके, सो दैट यू कैन डिसाइड इट. नेक्स्ट आफ्टर दैट, यस मैं अभी शेप्स लेकर ही कर रही हूँ. सो सिंपली शेप्स वी विल टेक इट, नॉट सो मच hard and fast. And yes, I will just take the color. मैं यहाँ color decide कर लेती हूँ and then I'm just making it according to it. तो yes, मैंने ये triangle ले लिया. Again, what we will do, we will take it over here and we can decide it by rotating. यहाँ उसके according वो rotate करके हम लोग place करके देख लेंगे. And yes, we will change the size of it. Okay, now the next thing, ये थोड़ा सा हमें, okay, you all are having more creativity ideas. I know it very well कि मेरे पास जितने नहीं उससे ज़्यादा आप लोगों के पास है. So I will not say that thing that I am good in this, but yes, at least I can help you out to make it some of the design which you like it. आप लोगों को जो अच्छा लगे वैसे आप बना सकते हो. Okay, I have just taken this one and now I will rotate. मैं इसको rotation दूंगी. As you can see your the rotation, यहाँ से ये rotation दे दिया. Again, yes, we can rotate it from here to make it according to this. Okay, apply. Okay, मैंने ये थोड़ा कर लिया and then yes, I will go with the next, that is the new triangle. Okay, so first before getting to the new triangle, what I will do, I will change the color. So I'll just go with the somewhat darker color of it. Yes. Even you can make a copy of it, तो आपको problem नहीं आएगी size में, right? So yes, you can decide of your own, आपको जैसे मैंने बताया, right? And yes, done. Now I will apply and now there is a twist. What is that twist? Let's see. So yes, we will make a big triangle now. हम लोग यहाँ इसमें रखते हैं color blue because it is going to be changed after that. हम लोग उसके बाद इसमें changes करेंगे, right? So yes, I've taken and now I will move it. And now we are going to take a picture. So yes, let's go for it. I want to take this picture. I will make copy of it and paste it over here, right? As I've pasted, now I want to make it according to the size of the triangle. ये जो मैंने triangle लिया है इसके according size में ले लिया, and then I will make a right click on the layer. पहले हम apply कर लेते हैं, and then this. Here you can see create clipping mask and it's done. आपको दिखेगा नहीं because I have not shown you. Now we will give it the drop shadow over here. तो drop shadow देंगे. Let us go for drop shadow and give it the drop shadow. Now you can see the effect of it. Inner glow also, if you want to give, yes, you can give the inner glow over there. Okay, देखिए. So yes. So this way you can also try it. You can make it. I want to write here my name, so I'll just write it over here, my name. In that also we have the options, as you can change your font and everything. Just wait for it. So what we can do, we can go with any of it, select, and then right. So you can select of your own. आपको जो अच्छा लगे वैसा वाला आप ले सकते हो. Right, I like it this one. You can go with another one. Okay, and yes, with that the color, yes, color, I want to go with the red color. I can also go with the shape. So wrapping, here we have the wrapping over here. तो आप कर सकते हो warping भी कर सकते हो. You can change it the design. Okay, so yes, this is Rachana Jadav. Yes, so yes, you can create the design. And the last tip that I want to give it, that in the background, if you want the gradient, yes, you can apply the gradient over there. So I will just go with the gradient. You can take any of the gradient which you like it, but it must be according to the need of us, right? आपकी need के according होना चाहिए. तो आप देख सकते हो, right? I can go with the colors. Here I have the colors, different colors also I can have it. Yes, you can see over here, right? So this way you can also design of your own book cover, and you can share it to me on my mail ID, which I will send you in the link. Okay, so thank you.